There are new reports projecting the new, not the new one, but the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold S that's reportedly coming next year would compete with the Microsoft Duo coming next year as well. You understand? There is a new Microsoft Duo that is out already. They that particular model did not really come with all the best internals that is working right now in most flagship folds device right now. So it is not the very best, but it is quite good. It's coming with the flagship chipset from last year, the Snapdragon 855, while the new Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 comes with the latest and greatest Snapdragon 865 plus, better RAM, better speed performance on every front. Probably, in fact, even comes with a better display as well. Now, it's already been rumored that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold S, the model number will be called the Z Fold S, is going to come with a 360-degree hinge, which will pretty much allow you to fold it either way that you would like it. It is also going to have it will have a pretty much a design that is similar to the Surface Duo, and it is very well going to compete with the Surface Duo that is coming next year, like maybe the Surface Duo 2 coming next year, because Microsoft is teasing that their own Surface Duo 2 will be as good as the best folds that would even come out next year. Probably they will go with the more recent chipset, maybe hike the price a bit, give you better performance and all that. So the thing here is that the two devices would pretty much compete against each other in terms of specs and features. They will both come with OLED screens. The models that came out this year both came with OLED screens. This would come with a better design to give you better performance. Now, there's nothing like prices that were leaked, but the new Galaxy Z Fold S that's coming next year would be quite interesting to look at, and I will definitely keep an eye out for it. And if there is anything that comes up, I will report on it. All you gotta do right now is to follow us here on our YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.